working what you need is a working definition. A definition which you yourself can create by yourself. And you can put it in the paper, which addresses all parts of the question, which addresses all parts of the keyword. That is the idea behind a working definition. So we'll be trying to build a working definition for aptitude. So officially it says that aptitude is the natural or acquired capacity. Please note the keywords. Please note it down. Aptitude is the natural or acquired capacity or talent for learning a certain skill. So you can say it's a natural or acquired capacity for learning a certain skill. Simply skill, or you can add the word ability. In the future, through training. So you can take a simple definition like this: aptitude, it is the natural or the acquired capacity for learning a certain skill or ability in the future through training. So this is a good definition you can go for. You want another definition? So you can say it is the component. So if you note this down, once you've noted this down, you can say it is the component of a competency to do a certain kind of work with certain level of efficiency. Now, this is also a definition. So you have two definitions. I leave the choice to you. The first definition is natural or acquired capacity for learning a certain skill or ability in the future through training, or it is the component of a competency to do a certain kind of work with certain level of efficiency. Now, frankly saying, the first definition seems much more easier for a normal person to understand and to write it down. I would stick with the first definition, but I've given you both the definitions because it is easier for the person who's writing, who's involved in this class, to choose out of his or her own choice. Once that is done, so that is the definition. Once the definition is done, we'll be going into what is the role played by aptitude. Why is aptitude so important for us? What is the importance of aptitude with regards to civil service or with regards to a normal person? So we were saying earlier, we know the definition. Now we need to understand what is the role or the function or the importance played by that word. So we'll be understanding what is the role played by aptitude. So what role does aptitude play? So before going into the role, we understand that aptitude has two components. There can be physical and mental aptitude. We can go for certain examples of physical aptitude or mental aptitude. For example, the ability to sing or dance or be involved in sports. Certain people since childhood have an extremely fit athletic body which has the potential to perform well in sports. So this kind of aptitude can be developed, and which, if it is nurtured, will lead to large gains. Yes, so that is for the physical side. What about the mental side? Yes, Some have aptitude for maths. Some have aptitude for painting, artistry. One famous example of an aptitude for maths is Srinivasa Ramanujan, who was considered to be one of the most famous mathematicians to have come out of India. For painting, Dr. M.F. Hussain, who is also a famous painter. So you can say that there are aptitudes which is both physical and mental, and we can include both of them while we are learning about the competence. So we can understand that there are different types of aptitude. There is the mental component, there is the physical component, and each person can have different aptitudes. What else? What else is there in aptitude? You can say that while going for the role, you can say that aptitude is not permanent. It can be even acquired, or it can be even natural. So why these three words? It's not permanent. A person who's highly skilled in a certain kind of art form, something like dancing, who has the natural aptitude to dance, may lose the ability to dance because he or she has not trained it. He can lose the ability, he or she can lose the ability because they have not trained themselves for it. So you can say it is not permanent. It is not permanent. Aptitude is not permanent. What else? It can be acquired. Is it true that only those who have the aptitude for a certain thing can only do this? No. Talent can be nurtured, talent can be trained up, it can be built up. It is quite possible to build up certain things. So, aptitude can be acquired, can be brought up. Then there is also the natural aptitude. People who have an inborn talent towards certain things. Is that alone good enough? No, they also have to be trained. So aptitude, you can say, is just a potential. It's a potential for the future. There is no guarantee in aptitude. Just because you have an aptitude for singing, does it mean that you are going to be one of the greatest singers the world has ever seen? No. You just have the potential to be. You need to train it. You need to build it. You need to work for it to make sure that your aptitude translates into success. So, aptitude is important because it just shows the potentiality. It can give a future prediction. If this person is used or channeled towards this way, this can lead to success. Aptitude is just that, just a potential for the future, just an indicator of the success which can be available in the person's future if he or she trains towards it. Okay, so understand certain points about aptitude. It is physical, there is a physical aptitude, there is also mental aptitude. We have examples for singing, dancing, sports. Sports, you can include Usain Bolt, singing, Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhonsle, dance, Prabhudeva, maths, Srinivasa Ramanujan, painting, M.F. Hussain. So many people, note them down. You can mention that as examples. Then, certain features of aptitude. It's not permanent. You can lose your talent, you can lose your potential. It's acquired, you can actually train and develop and build it up. There are certain natural aptitudes also. People who are naturally inclined towards doing certain things, that is also possible. And one major thing about aptitude is, it is just the potential. It is just a potential for the future. It is not possible that it should be happen like this, it should not happen like this. It is just a potential for the future. So that is there for aptitude.